headlights removal, and now I am meaning in this BMW car these whole parts. What is this big element? Okay, and this is BMW's headlight, and it is installed in here in many screws. In here we have screws, and in back area we have screws, and we have to take both of those, and especially this down area's hidden bolt is like secret, and let's go to open that next. Okay, and now we have to go look really in this back area in here, and here is one critical bolt what we have to open first. Okay, and now when we look this light and headlight back area, we can see in here in that position, just in there, in this position, there is one screw what keeps this headlight in position, and next we open that. This this bolt position is really bad because it is inside in this fender area in here, like hidden. This is, and now I take this my T27, oh sorry, T30. This is T30, or let's look. Okay, and there is the same side stalks, nice bolt. And now this headlight back area is free, and we can go to open these rear areas, this front areas, nuts and bolts. Okay, and now we are looking these front areas, headlight bolts, and in here we can see in this area there is two bolts what we need to open next. Okay, good. And next we have in this up area in here there are two bolts, one in here and one in here. I take those bolts away. Now they are same sides, and now when I have take these, there are 5 bolts. Now this headlight is free, and I can carefully move that little bit, but then we have in here these connectors, electric connectors, what we have to take out next. Okay, and note also that these headlights parts, they are again sensitive plastic, and that's handle these parts in here, these parts very carefully. And this engineering is made so that these clamps goes in up, and we take that carefully away in here. Note that way, because if we bend these parts too much, these plastic parts goes broken. Okay, and next part is this connector in here, and this can be difficult part because there is both sides what I have to press same time and then pull out this thing. Now it opens. But these sides, they are hard to press and they goes easily damaged. And now this headlight, now it is free, and there are those covers that we can replace bulbs, and check that this product code is similar in here. and all another things. And now this headlight is really one bulb, one bulb, one. Okay, nice engineering. And here is this washer nozzle. Good.